In this video, we are going to talk about function notation, and then we are going to do questions 1 and 2, or problems similar to it, from homework 9.2. So first, let's just discuss what function notation is. Function notation, we write y equals f of x. The way this reads is y is a function of x. What's nice about this is it's telling me my independent variable is x and my dependent variable is y. Y depends on x. And it tells me, since I'm using the word function, it's telling me that each x is mapped to or sent to exactly one y value. I'll just say y. F parentheses x does not mean f times x. And it's understandable that if you were looking at it for the very first time, we would maybe think that f is an unknown and we're multiplying it by x by another unknown, but that is not what this means. Y and f of x are interchangeable, right? So we're advancing our notation and to make it more rich and more meaningful. So just like you've used, y equals mx plus b, f of x is the exact same thing as that rule y. We could even say that y is a rule, f of x is a rule, and it's special. It's a function, meaning each x is sent to exactly one y. Right? Now, let's go ahead and look at question number 1 and practice reading this notation. Okay, so question 1 in the homework is, if f of 1 equals 4, then what ordered pair is in f? Now, this f of 1 is 4 is telling me that when x is 1, y is 4. That's what that means. When x equals 1, y equals 4. It's showing me that the x value of 1 is mapped to the y value of 4. So my ordered pair, remember all ordered pairs are x comma y's. The x value is 1 and the y value is 4. Now we've practiced when we were graphing lines, for an example, all our ordered pairs were solutions to an equation. Here with a function, we're looking at it in a little bit different way. We're seeing an input-output relationship. We're seeing that the input value of 1 is sent to the output value of 4. And functions are helpful for us in making predictions about real-world situations. Given an input, what would that associated output be? Okay, so for now, we're just getting practice with the notation. The thing inside those parentheses is the x, and the whole f of that thing, that is the y value. F of 1 is 4, means that when x is 1, y equals 4. So I'm going to come and actually do this one with you guys. When x is 1, y is 4, and go ahead and submit. Okay, let's go ahead and do question 2 as well. So here we have the ordered pair and we're asked to use the function notation. So f of x, the x here is -3. F of x, f of -3, that whole thing is a y value, and the y value here is 4. And we're doing great. All right, so in the next video, we will be talking about problem number 5.